Hi everybody, so today's meal is going to be turkey burgers. Today I'm using Jennie-O, any brand will do. This one is 93% lean. I've tried the all white meat. I don't particularly like it quite as much, so for what little more that I get from using just the regular fresh turkey, I prefer that. I'm going to use some hummus instead of using any ketchup or mayonnaise. I have some Havarti cheese, and I have some lettuce and tomato to put on to the burger. If I was really being good, I would use just the lettuce, but I've been pretty good with my carbs. So usually I use sandwich thins. They didn't have any left at the store, so I got the same brand of English muffin whole wheat, which is also about 140 calories, so I'll be adding that to my burger. So I have everything heating up here. There are my tomatoes. Let me go ahead and start getting the burgers onto the frying pan. I've already heated that up. I bought this fancy tripod for this, but for some reason I don't have it put together right, so you'll have to excuse me for holding this. This time I'll have it fixed hopefully by the next time. There goes a burger. There's another burger. Package of 4, so I guess we'll have some leftovers. Not a huge fan of leftovers, but considering burgers are my favorite food, I'll live with it this one time. And we have our burgers going. Burgers are going here, and I'm going to use some Roadhouse steak seasoning on them. Any steak seasoning will do, but I kind of like the Roadhouse one. Again, I got my tomatoes ready. I have my asparagus that I'm going to put into the microwave. They go in for about 2 to 3 minutes. Pop it in for 3 minutes. And my burgers will be ready to be flipped soon. A little seasoning on this side. Put the cover on for a moment. And in about 3-4 minutes, hopefully the burgers will be done. Tomatoes are all sliced up. The lettuce is ready. And then in a moment, I'm going to also put some cheese on there. So stay tuned for that. Don't want to overcook them. Nothing worse than a dry burger. In about another minute, I'll put the cheese on it. And then as my thumbnail, I'll put together the burger and the asparagus, and I'll show that to you. Cook already. So I really like turkey burgers. My favorite food is a hamburger, but I don't want to eat too much beef. So, a turkey burger is a good option. It's not quite the same, but it's pretty tasty and pretty good, and I enjoy it. My wife enjoys it. So, again, we have them once in a while. Flip it, put the cheese on it. Try to use a nice non-stick pan so that I don't have to use much oil or anything. And I will show you the finished product in just a moment. Okay, so here we have our cheese melted on it, and I have my Thomas whole wheat English muffins. I could get you the contents. 120 calories, 1 gram of fat, no sugar, no added sugar, 4 grams of protein. So not too bad. And again, I'll use as the thumbnail the picture of the food.